More than a single habitat, a pond provides many niches used by a multitude of creatures and is a fantastic way to bring more life into the garden. Birds drink and bathe in shallows and take mud from margins to line or build nests. Some solitary bees need the mud too. Ponds are familiar as breeding sites for frogs, toads, and newts, which sometimes fall prey to less frequent visitors, including grass snakes or even the occasional grey heron. But what really makes garden ponds so vibrant is the variety of smaller creatures that live in them. Many species of fly, beetles, true bugs, dragonflies and damselflies are found here. The adults of many of these are food for swallows and house martins that pick them off from above the water. At night, bats feast too. Other insect groups can benefit as well. Filling a pond with plants such as marsh marigold, Caltha paleustris, gives a glorious yellow glow in early spring and provides a feast for pollinators. With nearly 70% of ponds lost from the wider countryside, those in gardens are increasingly important for wildlife. There are few rules for creating your own wildlife pond. Provide a source of water, and the wildlife will come. Pond skaters and backswimmers seemingly arrive within minutes of a pond's creation. Just remember to make the sides sloped so creatures can get in and out. Screech beetle, Hygrobia hermanii, one of around 350 water beetle species in Britain. This 1 centimetre long insect produces an audible grinding screech. Spot them in the muddy margins. Their larvae feed on small worms. Common backswimmer, Notonecta glauca. Often found swimming upside down, these 1.5 centimetre long true bugs feed on a range of pond life. Their powerful oar-like hind legs are modified for swimming, long, flattened and fringed with hairs. Using their beak-like mouthparts to pierce prey such as fish, insects and tadpoles, they inject a toxic saliva. Beware, the bite is painful. Whirligig beetle, Gyrhinus substriatus. Gyrating groups of these 6 millimetre long beetles may be seen on pond surfaces, searching for invertebrate prey. Their eyes are divided in two. Half sees below the water, and the other half above. Large red damselfly larvae, Pyrosoma nymphula. These have 3 appendages, used as gills, at the rear of the body and extendable mouth parts to capture prey such as invertebrates and tadpoles. Bloodworms, Chironomidae. Small animals that are the larvae of non-biting midges. They live in mud and rotting plant material, feeding on algae. Adults are essential food for many birds and bats. Water scorpion, Nepa cinerea. Not a scorpion, but, at more than 3 centimetres long, it's one of Britain's largest true bugs. The enlarged front legs grab prey such as small fish and tadpoles. The long tail is a breathing tube.